Hello everyone, I'm Marco Mifacino, mechanical engineer from Italy and the CEO of digi. Here with me today, Dave Davis, CTO. The Internet of Things has changed how we interact with and control the environment around us. The demand for more efficient building to achieve both cost-saving and smaller, environmentally friendly carbon footprint has placed a new focus on smart building automation solutions. At digi, we have been inspired by IoT technology to develop smart solutions that help people to use energy more efficiently. Air conditioning wastes energy and increases energy bill when it's not running at the peak of efficiency. According to the website energy.gov, power for the air conditioning costs to the homeowner over $10 billion every year, and more than 100 million metric tons of carbon dioxide are released into the environment. If you are wondering what this number means in terms of the environment, it's like adding 23 million cars driving and polluting around the country every year. Keeping air conditioning working at the peak of efficiency can lower this number by 15–20% and guarantee saving for $2.2 billion in energy bill. How to monitor air conditioning performance? digi, a real-time monitoring and automation cloud-based solution with combined data collected from IoT smart sensor with the powerful analytics to drive energy efficiency for home, building, and facility. Built out over LoRaWAN network, our cost-effective software solution delivering smart saving, predictive maintenance, real-time monitoring and alerts, data-driven building management, and an healthy and comfortable building. But what's the technology behind digi? David?
So designed from the start to support and scale IoT from just one sensor to thousands, LoRaWAN is a new global wireless communication standard that provides low bandwidth connectivity, can travel over long distances, and it uses very little power. And this is what makes it a perfect solution for IoT. You can deploy LoRaWAN on a public network or on a private commercial network like our partner machineQ. Utilizing enterprise-grade security, all data is securely encrypted and transmitted using end-to-end encryption. This happens at both the network level as well as the application level. Marco will share more about our company and some of our successes.
Along with David and myself, the team also includes Darshi Doshi, application server manager, and a cloud-based IoT platform specialist. The IP law firm John Morris and Barash Par has helped us to file the 2 non-provisional patents. We began focus on LoRaWAN technology at machineQ event last year. Working toward our goals, we started to test LoRaWAN public network early this year. Since we became machineQ partner in March, we have been able to accelerate the development. Working with our customer in the field, collecting data, is helping us to tailor our solution according to their needs. We are continuing to deploy digi system, and we are evaluating new potential partnerships to support our growth and market expansion. Things around LoRaWAN are moving faster, and we are very excited to continue to accelerate and shape our project.